Lesson 4. Invite teammates. 3.5 minutes. So far, you've been working alone in this workspace. Most marketing teams have between 3 and 10 people. Let's get yours in. Click Settings. Click Workspace. Scroll down to Members. This is the roster for the workspace. The Members section shows everyone with access to this workspace. Right now, just you with the admin role. Each row shows the email, the role, and the join date. Below the active member list, pending invites. Invites that have been sent but not accepted yet. A member never auto-joins. They have to receive the invite email, click the link, and sign in with their own credentials. Every membership is consent-based. 3 roles in simple marketing. Admin, member, viewer. Same 3 across the whole SIG suite, including simple growth and simple projects. Admin can do everything. Manage the workspace, invite and remove members, change branding, manage billing, send campaigns, see every record. You as the workspace creator are admin by default. Member can do most operational work. Build audiences, draft content, send campaigns, read reports. They cannot manage other members or change billing. Viewer is read only. They see the dashboards and the reports, but can't draft campaigns or change anything. Useful for an executive sponsor or a partner who needs visibility, but not edit access. Click Invite Member. The form asks for 2 things, email address and role. Type your teammate's work email. Pick a role. For your first teammate, member is usually right. Click Send. The invite email goes out immediately. The form clears and the new invite appears in the pending invites section below. Your teammate gets an email branded with your workspace name. The email says you invited them, names the workspace, and includes a single button. Accept invite. When they click, they land on the Simple Marketing sign-in page. If they sign in with their work email, they auto-join your workspace at the role you set. No further setup. If they're brand new to Simple Marketing, the sign-in flow creates their account, then auto-joins them. 1 click, 1 sign-in. The pending invite row in your workspace moves to active membership. Module 1 is done. You can sign in. You read the dashboard. You branded the workspace. You added teammates. The workspace is ready. Module 2 starts on building your first audience, importing subscribers, handling consent, segments. See you there.